Good morning, y'all. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is that you are watching this channel. Before we move any further into the video, tell me how y'all doing. Make sure you drop a comment down below. Tell me hey. Say hey, SK, so I know who's watching. Anyways, because I don't like how silent some of y'all be. Stop being silent watchers. I'll tell you that before. Like, tell me hey, like, you know. I'm just here looking out my window outside. Just looks so nice and bright. I think they cut the lawn, so it's just so, I don't, you know, I hardly take River back there. Look how big back there is. Look how much space River got back there to like run around, and it like wraps around the building. But we just don't go back there for some reason. I don't know. Yeah, I was just trying to fix my hair, so I've got this thing on it. I'm gonna take it off in a minute, but yeah, I was just opening up my window and stuff to get some fresh air in here. Rivi, what y'all doing in here? Why they following me? Why they love to follow me everywhere I go? Renee, come on guys, something very good happened this morning. So this morning when I was about, let's go out. Come Rivi, come. Yeah, so this morning when I was about to go and change River, I realized like River's pamper was super dry. He didn't pee at all, and I was like, oh, River didn't pee the bed last night. He told me that he wanted to use the potty. He said, I want to go on the potty, and I was like, you want to go on the potty? I was like, River, you gotta just waste my time, you know. He did pee, and it was this whole heap of like big excitement between the two of us, and he was so proud of himself. Like he was like, we did it, I did it, we did it, and we'd high-fiving. I was like, you did that, River, you're a big boy now, good job. Let's just hope that by the time River is ready for school, because he's got 1 month exactly, let's hope that by the time he's ready to go to school, he is potty trained. I don't know. Anyways, enough of that. The things that excites us as parents, it is exciting though, isn't it, watching our baby grow and reach all these milestones and doing all these things, and oh my gosh, it's amazing. But yeah, I'm gonna go wash up because I've done breakfast already, and I'm just gonna go and wash up these breakfast dishes. And I've got some chicken breast here defrosting. I need to look up some new recipes for chicken breast, because I feel like every time I do chicken breast, I always curry it. I don't know, should I just curry it? We love curry. We are on the move. I'm actually here at a corner shop. I am trying to get some ingredients. So I've already bought I bought 2 of these already. So now what I'm actually looking for is guineas. Last time I bought a big one. Should I buy a big one? No, a small one is okay. 7 point. Yo, these full of alcohol. A 7.5. Okay, so let's get this one. Guys, believe it or not, I am actually going to make Sean some Jamaican strong back. I'm gonna surprise him. I have never made him strong back, and no, I want Sean to give me no more babies, but I just want to make it for him. I know he would like it. He likes it, but I just never made it, and as a Jamaican I feel bad that I never make strong back. But I'm in the mood to make these things now, because y'all saw that I made the carrot juice. Well, some would say carrot punch, but yeah, so now I'm in the mood, so that's what we're going to do. The next time you guys see me, that's what we're doing. But yeah, I'm just trying to get some of the ingredients. So I have the guineas, I have Suppagen with nourishment, I need peanuts, I have my spices already, and I have oats already. Oh yeah, I want to get a Magnum. I'm gonna put Magnum in there, but I don't think they have the Magnum out. I think the Magnum is up there. All right, so we got some of our ingredients. Let's go home and make some babies. Baby number 4 coming, load it. What's up, y'all? So it's actually a few days later, and I am back in the kitchen. Anyhow, if you're just tapping through to this section of the video, thanks for clicking on the video. Thanks for making it to this segment. Anyways, I've got some curry goat here that I seasoned up yesterday. 14 pounds, yeah, 14 pounds or not 14 pounds for this, you know. I'm actually gonna go throw this in the pressure cooker right now. Oh, and by the way, today is Sean's birthday, and I figured, you know what, he's gonna have a really long day at work, and yeah, so he's at work, he's gonna be working all day, and we haven't had curry goat in, I don't know, y'all, forever. So I decided to just, you know, surprise him with a nice little curry goat. And I'm also gonna make some strong back. Remember I told you guys about the strong back, so that is what's on for right now. But let's get this curry goat in the pot right now. I'm actually doing it in my pressure cooker. I always use my pressure cooker because this pressure cooker, bad. It usually pressures the meat in like probably like 20 minutes. I kid you not. Pick up to my girlfriend for that stuff for buying me this pressure cooker. Oh gosh, it was like she bought it years ago when I first moved into the flat as like a house warming type of thing. So big up to you, yeah, because 20 minutes this goat meat gonna be well pressured and nice, and I could simmer it down, and you know, yeah. So anyways, we're gonna go make the strong back now. But y'all remember previous vlog, what a disaster it was with that blender that I was using. Oh my gosh, me and that blender, we're separating. See, I dash it to the side and we are welcoming a new blender. So me and that old blender, our relationship is done and I am moving on from it. I found a new love in AMZCHEF. So this is a new AMZCHEF blender that I received yesterday. As you can see, when I started to unbox it, and oh my gosh, when I opened it and took it out to see how, just listen to my excitement. Ooh, guys, look how beautiful. Oh my gosh, AMZCHEF, lovely. You know, so as I'm looking at it, and I love the way it goes on as well. So this is really nice. This is very easy to use. You just put it on the top and you're good to go. It also comes with this travel cup, easy to use. You can also put on there to blend, very easy to lock that in as well. And you can blend up smoothies on the go and all of that. And I don't know if I showed you guys when I opened it, but this is what it looks like. So, you know, literally you blend it up, unscrew it, and good to go, which I absolutely love. This is the blender that we are going to be using today to make the Jamaican strong back for my hubby. Thanks again to AMZCHEF for sponsoring this portion of the video. And if you would like to get this blender, I will leave the link in the description for you guys, and I will also pin it in the comment section. Please go ahead and click the link. You'll get an extra percentage off. So what we're cooking there is he's gonna enjoy that when he gets home, and he will appreciate the strong back because his Jamaican wife never made him Jamaican strong back. So you guys are going to be seeing me make this for the very first time. I got the ingredients back there. I've got the ingredients behind me, as you can see, and we are going to get to blending. All right, let's go and blend up this strong back. And for those of you guys that don't know, they call it strong back because of all of the strong things that it entails, like oats, and it got nourishment, which is supplement, but you know, that's more like it gives you energy. Yeah, it gives you energy, it gives you stamina. There's some magnum in there, which is, the magnum is 16.5% alcohol, y'all. So you know, yeah, let's go make the drink. I might have to do a voiceover because you know the pressure cooker is about to go and make one whole heap of noise. This is not where I'm going to keep the blender, but for now this is where we're blending it. So yeah, look how easy and simple that was. I did not even use let me show you. I did not even use all of the magnum. I don't know if you could see, let me shake it up, how much is left in the bottle, but it is quite a bit because it was so strong. I think it has just enough in there. Oh my gosh, Rain is crying now. She was fine the whole time. Yes, so my rice is on right now, and I turned off the curry goat. Let me show you guys what inside the pot looked like. This is what inside the pot looks like. So what I'm going to do now is going to add a bit of seasonings to it and let that simmer down so the gravy can get nice and rich, because as you see, the gravy is still long. Yeah, so that's what we're gonna do. So guys, here we have a number of things. We got potatoes. This is like 2 potatoes diced up. We have sweet pepper, we have onions, we have ginger under there, we have garlic under there, we have some thyme, and we have scallion. And now we're going to put this in the pot. This is quick, y'all. Transfer this in. Oh, oops. That's what in there looks like. Alright y'all, so what I did is I went and put a little bit of sugar on here and some vinegar, and I'm just going to mix this around now. I'm not making coleslaw, so I'm not putting any mayo or anything in there. This is just cabbage and carrot with a little bit of vinegar and a tiny bit of sugar, and this is how we're going to have it. I haven't had it like this in a while. I've been making it with mayo these past couple weeks, so I'm like, you know what, let's just eat it just the way it is. You eliminate the mayo, it makes it a lot healthier. So this is all cooked now, if you can see, but I just turned it off. It has a lot of gravy in there still, but yeah, this is cooked. The gravy looks nice and rich. I'm going to fry some plantain. Y'all ain't gonna lie, this food nice. This food nice. Sean is gonna try the strong back, so he'll try it, let you guys know how it tastes. So I'm in the kitchen like eating it because we weren't here talking, but yeah, and he's trying the lion thing. Tell me why. Because I've got my phone is hooked up right next to the camera because I'm doing a TikTok as well as. Tell me why I got Sean's reaction on camera tasting the drink and the camera was not recording. I got it on the phone though, so I'll just insert it here. Oh my gosh, I'm so upset about this. I'll just insert it here so you guys can see Sean's reaction. This is a birthday boy, y'all. I tell the people that I'm making this a surprising and making Jamaican strong back. Yeah? My phone might be loaded. Anyways, cheers babe. He's finally caught up to me now. We're the same age now officially after 8 months. So go ahead and taste it and tell me what you think. Oh my gosh, it got thick. Oh wow, it wasn't thick like this because oats in it. Do you like it thick like this or it's too thick?
Of course, very nice.
Yeah?
Very nice, I like it. Caught me off guard. I wasn't expecting it to be.
Oh, you thought it was like the carrot thing that I made the other day.
Very good.
Love you, babe. I'm glad you like it. How's the curry going?
Wonderful as usual.
Big up to me. Anywho, I'm gonna go and enjoy. Where did I put my food? Oh, it's there. I'm gonna go and enjoy my food. I already said all of this already. Like, I'm gonna go enjoy my food. So now with my husband, Sean is on the phone with his mama, talking to her. So I'm gonna go in there. We're gonna finish eating. I'm so upset. Like me, I actually I didn't press. Y'all, I gotta go eat. But anyways, he loved it, so I'm glad about that. So that's that.